So this is what just happened to my car because this douche right here hit it. Pieces.
There's pieces?
Yeah, so.
Pieces of his.
I got a picture of theirs too.
I'm gonna film it.
But the pieces are from
Dude, who the hell? Are you serious?
I know. Did you get the
What's up, guys? So, just wanted to show you really quick. That's probably gonna be the last of the sunlight that I see for a couple of days because there's a blizzard that's gonna that's basically gonna start pretty soon in the Great Salt Lake. So yeah, and I showed you earlier that somebody hit my freaking car, and it was a lady. She was nice enough to leave her information, but still, my point is that women still can't drive. So yeah, anyway, so I'm going to do some stuff, so I will talk to you guys later, but I will show you how the blizzard is, because it's supposed to be like the worst one that we've had in like 10 years here in Utah. So alright, I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Alzátelo.
Ahora acá, sas, como el chavo. Sas, las manzanas, pa. Pero manzanas con caramelo.
So Lucy's gonna make. What are you making? What the hell are you?
Caramel apple.
So we're getting ready to probably stay in the house for the next week for the blizzard. Anyway, so yeah.
Ya le sube babas de.
Es que está bien tanto.
Hágale.
Ese manojote grandote, póngale. No le hagas babosear.
Brother.
Sentado en el medio, a ver.
Brother. Why, you may ask yourself, my mom's doing this? I have no clue. ¿Para qué haces esto, babe? Le van a ahorcar.
Duro.
Where's Lucy? No. Holy crap. Check it out. This is crazy. It's like within half hour it's like almost an inch of snow on the ground. That's insane. Alright, I will be giving you guys updates on how this is gonna turn out. So this is crazy. Wow. Yeah. Holy bejesus. Look at this shiz. Look at this shit. Yes. It's crazy. It's even in this door. Look at that. It's crazy. Sácate esta cosa, ve. Holy crap. Bestia, no se van a poder salir. Cold. Wow. Ya está.
Así se ve mal.
Wow. Qué chiste. Okay, update. So this is what the snow looks like right now outside. Cars are covered, and my neighbor's dogs are out, like always. There's my neighbor. So that's funny. Yeah, so there's a lot of snow. Snow. There's Lucy and Brian. We're watching Robin the Hood. So yeah. So what are you learning today, Lucy?
that I need to, how do you say it? Watch and review everything before you share with other people. I mean, online. Online sharing.
Especially what?
Especially Fernando's videos.
Why?
Because I just shared the video he made yesterday with my husband's TV interview.
Yeah.
I shared it with his entire family, with these really nice ladies, before watching it. And then, right after I sent it, I decided to watch it, and then I realized...
And what did I tell you that before you send it?
You didn't say anything.
I told you to watch it.
Well, you should put a disclaimer in your videos. Please be aware. Potty mouth in full display.
Please be aware.
Please be aware. A lot of swearing in these videos. Anyway.
But anyway, so what are you learning right now?
I had to send another email to all the people I shared the video with, saying I am so sorry. I didn't watch the video, and I'm so sorry because my brother has a potty mouth.
But what are you learning from Brian right now?
What am I learning?
How to post a link on someone's wall.
How to post a link in someone's wall.
Yes.
That's funny. Anyway, so yeah, that's it.
Okay.
I'm gonna go make me some food right now. Where's my dad? ¿Qué hace, papi? ¿Qué hace?
Leyendo las noticias.
Reading the news. He's always in the computer. Alright guys, I will see you tomorrow. Good night.